Hey guys, are you want to buy best car paint sprays for DIY repairs? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car paint sprays for DIY repairs that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Real-In Cars Ceramic Coating Trim Restore. The Real-In Professional Plastic and Trim Restorer is a high-performance solution for bringing faded plastic and trim back to life. Its advanced formula removes oxidation and penetrates unpainted plastic surfaces, bonding with pores to create a durable ceramic coating. This restores trim to a deep black, glossy finish that lasts, giving your vehicle a refreshed, like new appearance. This highly concentrated restorer provides superior protection against rain and UV damage, preventing cracking, fading, and streaking, even after exposure to harsh weather. Unlike cheap oil-based products, it absorbs quickly into plastic, leaving no greasy residue while delivering a striking high-gloss look. Application is simple and user-friendly, just a few drops on a sponge, spread evenly, and wipe off excess. No special tools are needed, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. Versatile in use, this restorer works on bumpers, door handles, side mirrors, wiper arms, vinyl, rubber, and interior trim, offering long-lasting protection and shine. Real-In delivers professional quality restoration with ease and efficiency. Now our second product is Carguy's Tire Shine Spray. Carguy's Tire Shine Spray is a versatile and easy-to-use solution for achieving the perfect tire finish. Whether you prefer a glossy, wet look or a smooth satin finish, this formula puts you in full control. It dries quickly, leaving no greasy residue or runoff, and the included applicator pad ensures precise, mess-free application. Beyond aesthetics, this tire dressing provides long-lasting protection. Its proprietary polymer hydrates tires while shielding them from UV rays that cause fading, cracking, and browning, giving a durable shine that lasts with just one coat. The non-greasy formula ensures tires look clean and professional without any sling or streaks, making it ideal for enthusiasts seeking a polished finish with minimal effort. Carguy's stands out for quality and customer care. Made in the USA with advanced science and high-quality equipment, each product is consistently reliable. Their dedicated support team ensures any concerns are promptly addressed, giving buyers confidence alongside superior tire shine and protection. Our third product is Senvan Car Paint Touch-Up Scratch Repair for vehicles. The Anti-Rust Quick Repair Coating is a powerful all-in-one solution for protecting and restoring your vehicle's appearance. Utilizing advanced anti-rust sealing technology, it cures in just 10 minutes, allowing you to quickly cover wheel hub scratches, car door marks, stone chips, and minor dents. Its unique layered coating effectively isolates water and oxygen, preventing oxidation and rust, saving you from costly repairs caused by small scratches. Built with military-grade durability, this coating withstands extreme conditions from -30 degrees Celsius freezing to 80 degrees Celsius baking, offering waterproof and anti-corrosion performance 3 times above industry standards. Road-tested over 5,000 kilometers, it resists fading and chipping, maintaining a long-lasting, flawless finish. Versatile and beginner-friendly, it works on vehicle bodies, wheels, bumpers, motorcycles, yachts, and even furniture. The self-leveling formula fills scratches seamlessly, supporting multiple layers without wrinkling, and the first-use success rate reaches 80%. The AI color matching system ensures over 90% accuracy for black and white car paints, with light stabilizers minimizing color differences. Overall, this coating delivers professional-level repair and protection with minimal effort. Now number 4, Scap-Off Effective Paint Scratch Removers. The Car Scratch Remover is an efficient and reliable solution for tackling deep scratches, minor stains, and paint blemishes on any vehicle. Its advanced formula works by polishing edges and filling imperfections, restoring a smooth, even surface and maintaining your car's pristine appearance. Beyond repair, it also creates a durable protective layer that shields your vehicle from everyday wear and tear, helping preserve long-lasting shine while saving on costly repairs. Designed with safety in mind, the formula uses microscopic particles to gently polish the paint while denser particles penetrate deeper scratches for thorough restoration. It's safe for all painted surfaces, ensuring no damage occurs during use. Application is simple and user-friendly, just apply the paste, remove excess, and buff to a glossy finish, no special tools or prior experience needed. Compatible with all paint colors and vehicle types, the included towelettes make quick touch-ups effortless. Overall, this car scratch remover delivers professional quality results, combining effective repair, lasting protection, and ease of use in one versatile product. And our last choice is Chemical Guys restores shine and protection for cars. The G6 Hypercoat TVD11116SW is an impressive high-gloss sprayable protectant that truly revitalizes your vehicle's interior and exterior surfaces. Designed for vinyl, rubber, plastic, tires, and trim, it restores shine and color, giving even dull or weathered surfaces a deep, wet-look gloss that enhances depth and vibrancy. Its advanced water-based formula not only beautifies but also conditions, helping prevent cracking, fading, and discoloration for long-lasting results. One of its standout features is versatility, safe for dashboards, door panels, weather stripping, bumpers, tires, and more, making it ideal for both professional detailers and car enthusiasts. Unlike traditional greasy dressings, G6 Hypercoat dries to a smooth, non-oily finish, repelling dust and dirt while maintaining a durable, polished look. The easy spray-and-wipe application ensures even coverage with minimal effort, delivering professional-grade results at home or in the shop. Overall, this protectant combines convenience, protection, and a showroom-quality shine in one reliable, multi-surface formula. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.